Do you know what happens when two completely different human species meet face to face on the exact same land to hunt the exact same animals? In the previous video, we talked about how Neanderthals physically evolved to survive the freezing ice of Europe. During this exact same time, the humans left behind in Africa were forced to face massive, endless droughts. To survive without food or water, these humans had to develop a hyper-advanced brain and a complex language unlike any other animal on Earth. This newly evolved generation was Homo Sapiens, which is exactly who we are today. About 70,000 years ago, when these Homo Sapiens marched out of Africa and entered Europe, they came face to face with the Ice Age giants, the Neanderthals. This was the absolute beginning of the greatest clash in Earth's history. Neanderthals were incredibly strong, built completely like professional bodybuilders. They hunted by ambushing animals up close and stabbing them with heavy thrusting spears. But Homo sapiens were different. Physically, they were much weaker. However, they possessed two terrifying technological weapons that no other human species had ever conceived. The first weapon was the projectile. While Neanderthals risked their lives jumping onto massive animals, our ancestors used bows, arrows, and spear throwers to easily kill their prey from a safe distance without getting a single scratch. The second weapon was the sewing needle, made from animal bone. While Neanderthals simply draped heavy animal skins over their shoulders, Homo sapiens used needles to sew perfectly tailored, layered clothing that trapped body heat, allowing them to effortlessly survive the most brutal blizzards. Furthermore, Neanderthals lived in small, isolated family groups of 10 or 15, but sapiens, armed with a highly complex language, banded together to form massive tribes of hundreds, trading weapons and information. Because they were completely outsmarted and outhunted, the Neanderthals rapidly starved to death and were wiped out in territorial wars. In the end, Homo sapiens became the last and only human species left on planet Earth. In the next video, we will talk about how, as the Ice Age ended and the world warmed, these humans completely stopped hunting and planted the very first seeds, triggering the massive agricultural revolution that eventually birthed modern politics, cities, and human civilization.